Solved example 4th. If PQ is parallel to RS, we need to show that triangle POQ is similar to the triangle SOR, right? So, we'll write solution. In triangle POQ and triangle SOR, PQ is parallel to RS, right? It is a given thing. Now, we can observe that angle O is equals to angle O because vertically opposite angles. So, we'll write angle O is equals to angle O, vertically opposite angle. And angle P is equals to angle S. Angle QPO is equals to angle OSR because alternate angles. Alternate angles, that is angle QPO is equals to angle OSR. Alternate angle. And one more alternate angle we can see, angle Q is equals to angle R, that is angle PQO is equals to angle ORS. We'll write here angle this and angle R. PQO is equals to angle ORS, again alternate angle, right? We can see that we got here three angles, right? So by angle criteria we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. Therefore triangle POQ is similar to the triangle SOR by AAA similarity, right? Okay. 7th example, solved example. A girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Here they have given the height of the lamp, that is AB, and the height of the girl, that is CD, 90 cm they have given. And also they have given here speed and time. Now we have to find DE, right? Means length of, we have to find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. Let's write the given data first. AB, that is nothing but a height of the lamppost, that is 3.6 meter, and height of the girl CD is 90 centimeter. We'll convert the centimeter to the meter by dividing 90 by 100. 0 cancels and 0.9 meter. And here they have given speed. Speed what they have given 1.2 meter per second. 2 meter per second. And even they also have given the time, that is 4 seconds, right? 4 seconds. 4 seconds they have given. Now we'll find the distance D. D is nothing but distance means here BD. BD is nothing but a distance, that is equals to speed into time. We'll get S is 1.2 and the time is 4. After multiplying we'll get 4.8 meter. So the BD is of distance 4.8 meter. Right. Now to find the DE, or to find the shadow of the girl after 4 seconds, we'll consider triangles. Now in triangle ABC and triangle CDE, ABC and CDE, and in these two triangles angle B is equals to angle D because each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Yes. And again angle E is common for the triangle CDE and for the triangle ABE. Angle E is equals to angle E for the triangle. These are the common angles. And if these, here we got the two pairs of angles are equal, then by angle criteria we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles, right? So triangle ABC is similar to the triangle CDE. If these two triangles are similar, then by the theorem AAAA criterion theorem can we say that the sides, corresponding sides of the triangles are in the same ratio? Yes or no? Right. So we can write those ratios, corresponding ratios. I am going to write one unknown, first unknown and second unknown, because we need to find here DE, right? So AB divided by CD, these two are the known. Yes, first I am going to take the side of a bigger triangle, that is AB, which is known 3.6, and smaller triangle side, that is CD, that is also known here. That is equals to BE divided by DE. BE is known and DE is unknown, right? So here AB divided by CD is equals to, here BE I am going to write split, I am going to split it. BE means BD plus DE divided by DE. Now we'll substitute the values. AB is what? AB is 3.6 meter and CD is 0.9 meter is equals to, BD means we got, that is 4.8, plus DE is unknown, we need to find it. To remove these decimal points, I am going to multiply and divide it by the 10, so that 10 into 3.6 divided by 0.9 is equals to 4.8 plus DE divided by DE. After multiplying, we will get 360. There is a decimal point, so after a single point means it will be 36 divided by 9, which is equals to 48 plus DE divided by DE. Now it will get simplified. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. I will cross multiply these two values. 4 into DE is equals to 48 plus DE. We will bring all DE at one side. 4 into DE, here it is plus, after coming to the left hand side, minus DE is equals to 48. We will take out the DE common here. We will get 4 minus 1 is equals to 48. And here DE, 4 minus 1 is 3 is equals to 48. DE is equals to 48, that is not 48, 4.8. 4.8, right? 4.8 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, then remaining is 1, 3 6 are 18. So DE is what? 1.6 meter. So therefore the length of the shadow, is 1.6 meter after 4 seconds. Right? This completes example 7. Exercise 2.3 or 6.3. State which pair of triangles are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the questions, and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbol. Here we have to check whether the given triangles are similar or not. If they are similar, by which criterion they are similar, and we have to write them in symbolically, right? So first one in that is triangle ABC they have given, and triangle PQR. They have given the two triangles here. First we'll check their corresponding angles, whether they are equal or not. Angle A is equals to angle P here. This is 60 and this is 60. And here also same. Angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is also equals to angle R here. So we can say that by angle similarity, the given two triangles are similar, right? So first, what they have asked us, state which pair of triangles are similar. This triangle is similar, will write yes. And write the criterion. Which criterion? By which criterion these two triangles are similar here? By AAA similarity. By AAA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. And again they have asked us to write them in a symbolically, means triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR, right? Okay, next question. Now sixth question, triangle DEF and triangle PQR. We have to check whether these two given triangles are similar or not. We'll check here. Angle D is equals to angle P. I will say that angle P is equals to angle D is equals to angle P, because angle sum property of a triangle, this is 70 and this is 80, and angle sum property, you know that angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equals to what? 180 degree. Yes or no? Then we know that angle D is 70 degree, angle E is 80 degree, plus angle F is we need to find, so we'll keep it as it is, and this is 180 degree. 70 plus 80 will get 150 is equals to 180. Sorry, here plus angle F. We'll keep angle F here only, and we'll bring 150 to the right hand side. We'll get here 30, right? And this is 30 now. Angle F we got 30 degree. And you can see that here angle F is also equals to angle R, angle E is equals to angle Q. Then we can say that by angle criteria, the given two triangles are similar. So we'll write here yes, these two triangles are similar by angle similarity. If they are similar, then we'll represent them symbolically, so that triangle DEF is similar to the triangle PQR, right? Okay, this completes first main. Second question. In the figure, they have given and they have said that triangle ODC is similar to the triangle OBA. They are telling these two triangles are similar triangles, and they have given some angles here. Those angles are angle BOC is 125 degree and angle CDO is 70 degree, right? We need to find that angle DOC, this angle we have to find, and angle DCO, this angle we need to find, and one more angle, third angle, that is OAB. We need to find these three angles now, right? So let's begin the solution. Here what all they have given? Here they have given that angle BOC is 125 degree, and also they have given angle CDO is equals to 70 degree, right? Now proof. In triangle ODC and triangle OBA, in these two triangles, here I will take angle DOC plus angle COB is equals to 180 degree because linear pair. We'll write here angle DOC plus angle COB is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Right? So we already know the value of COB, that is 125. We'll substitute it here. DOC will keep it as it is because we need to find it, is equals to 180 degree. So angle DOC is equals to 180 minus 125. Here 180 minus 125 will get 55 degree. Yes, and again we got the angle DOC is 55 degree. This is 55 degree. Now let us find the angle C. To find angle C, we will use angle sum property, right? Angle sum property means we know that angle D plus angle O plus angle C is equals to 180 degree because angle sum property of a triangle. Right? If angle D is they have given, that is 70 degree, angle O is we got, that is 55 degree. We need to find angle C is equals to 180 degree. We will bring these two to the right hand side. We will keep C as it is. 180 minus 70 minus 55 degree. So angle C is equals to 180 minus, we will keep 180, 70 minus 50 will get 135 degree, and 180 minus 135 will get here 55 degree. Sorry, this is 70 minus 70 plus minus 55 is 125, right? Okay, after minusing we will get 55 degree. Even we got angle C as 55 degree. Now last angle we need to find, that is angle A. We got angle C is equals to 55 degree, right? I will say that angle C is equals to angle A because alternate angles. You can see that they are forming Z, right? So angle DCO is equals to angle OAB. Therefore, also angle DCO is equals to angle OAB are alternate angles. Alternate angles, right? If these are alternate angles, we got here angle C, that is 55 degree, right? Then angle OAB is also what now? 55 degree only. So therefore angle OAB is equals to 55 degree, right? 55 degree. Yes, hence we found all the three angles. Third question, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Here AC and DB are the diagonals for the trapezium ABCD. We take here a trapezium, right? For this trapezium ABCD, AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. And also actually AB is parallel to DC. These diagonals are intersecting at the point O. Using similarity criteria, we need to show that OA divided by OC is equals to OB divided by OD, right? For this we'll use AAA criteria, right? So let's begin the proof. Solution: in triangle ABO and triangle DOC. ABO in this triangle and triangle DOC. In these two triangles, AB is parallel to DC, right? And I will say that angle O is equals to angle O because vertically opposite angles. Angle O is equals to angle O, vertically opposite angles. And angle B is equals to angle D by alternate angles, because see, we can see that these forming a Z here. So we can say that angle ABO is equals to angle ODC. And one more I will take, one more pair, angle A is equals to angle C. Again they are what? An alternate angles. So we'll write here angle BAO is equals to angle OCD. These two are alternate angle, right? We can say that by angle criteria, these two triangles are similar here, yes? Therefore triangle ABO is similar to the triangle DOC. If these two triangles are similar, by AAA criteria's theorem we can say that the corresponding sides of the triangles are in the same ratio, right? So here OA divided by, here as I told, angle A is equals to angle C, right? So we have to write the side OA divided by OC. OA divided by OC is equals to what? Second, angle B is equals to angle D I have taken. So first side I have taken this. So for the same triangle I have to take a side BO here. BO divided by OD, or OB divided by OD, right? This is what we need to prove. We proved this. Yes or no? Hence proved. This completes third problem. Next, fifth problem. S and T are points on the side PR and QR of a triangle PQR. Right? There is a triangle which is named as PQR. PQR. Right? Here S and T are the points on the side PR and QR. S is the point on PR. Here this is S, and T is the point on RQ or QR. We'll join these two points. Now such that they are telling that angle P is equals to angle RTS. This is they have given. Now we have to show that these two triangles, triangle RTS is similar to the triangle RPQ, right? So here they have given angle P is equals to angle RTS. They have given, right? Now we need to prove that. What we need to prove? These two triangles are similar. Triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. Proof. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, in these two triangles, angle P is equals to angle T. This is given. So we'll write angle P is equals to angle RTS given. And we can observe that angle R is common for these two triangles. Yes or no? So we'll write angle R is equals to angle R, common angle, by angle criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles, right? How this is possible means, I told at introduction part only that if two angles of the triangles are equal, then by the angle sum property of the triangle, their third angle will be always equal, right? According to that condition, we can say that AA by AA criteria, these two triangles are similar here. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. We proved it. Yes, this completes fifth one by AA criteria. Seventh one, altitudes AD and CE of a triangle ABC intersecting each other at the point P. Right, we have to show that first one, triangle AEP is similar to the triangle CDP. Means these two triangles, AEP triangle and triangle CDP, are similar. We have to show. For that, solution: in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, in these two triangles, you can observe that angle D is 90 degree and even angle E is also 90 degree. So we'll write here angle AEP is equals to angle PDC, each 90 degree, and angle P is equals to again angle P, because vertically opposite angles. So angle P is equals to angle P, vertically opposite angles. By saying by using angle criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to the triangle CDP, right? By angle similarity. Then second one, triangle ABD is similar to the triangle CBE. These two triangles ABD, this triangle, and triangle CBE, this triangle, right? We have to say that these two triangles are similar. Again the same thing, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, you can see that in triangle ABD, D is 90 degree, right? And in triangle CBE, again E is 90 degree here. So we'll write angle ADB is equals to angle CEB, because each 90 degree. And we can see that for these two triangles, angle B is common. So we'll write here angle B is equals to angle B, common angle. Now we can say that by AA criteria, similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar triangles. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by angle criteria or similarity, right? Okay. Similarly, third and fourth we have to do. Eighth problem, E is a point on the side AD produced on a parallelogram ABCD. Means there is one parallelogram, right? It is named as ABCD. Here E is the point on the side AD produced, means AD is produced, right? On this produced line there is a point E, right? Now, and BE intersect CD at F. The line BD is intersecting the line CD at F here. So, we'll join this EB, right? Here it is intersecting at the point F. We need to show that the triangle ABE, this big triangle, and the triangle CFB, small triangles, are similar. Let's begin the proof. Solution: in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, you can say that angle A is equals to angle C, because opposite angles of the parallelograms are equal, right? So we'll write here angle A is equals to angle C, because opposite angles of a parallelogram. And I will take one alternate angle. Which alternate angle? Angle E is equals to angle B. See here, AE, angle AEF is equals to angle FBC. We'll write angle AEF is equals to angle, we'll take FBC, alternate angles. Alternate angles. We got here two angles, right? By this we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles by AA similarity. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to the triangle CFB by AA similarity. Right? Hence, we proved. Ninth problem. ABC and AMP. ABC and AMP are the two right angle triangles. They are right angled at B and M respectively. Here we have to show that triangle ABC, this triangle is similar to the triangle AMP. We need to show, right? That is the first one. Solution, first one, right? To show that, let us consider the triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, in these two triangles, angle B is equals to angle M, right? Both are 90 degree. Angle B is equals to angle M, each 90 degree. And one more angle we need to take. We'll take angle A right here. We can see angle A is common for the triangle ABC and for the triangle AMP. So we'll write angle A is equals to angle A, common angle. By this, using here we got two angles. By AA criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Hence, we proved the first one. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle AMP by AA similarity. And second one, if these two triangles are similar means triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP means, then we can write their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, yes or no, by A theorem, right? So we can write thus, we can say that hypotenuse, we'll take hypotenuse of both the triangles. I will take AC or CA, AC divided by AP, thus CA or AC divided by BA is equals to one side. If we have taken CB means we have to take MP, right? Here I have taken CB divided by MP, or BC divided by MP we can take, right? By this we proved second condition also. We can see it here, right? This completes ninth problem.